right, coach. Tough game here. The team show a lot of guts and fight to really eke out back something out of the game. A lot of team would surrender after going 2-0 down, but the team show a lot of fight and get a positive result. Disappointed? What you disappointed with?
Well, I thought it was just 8 minutes of madness in the first half. We tried to play out of the back when we knew that they were going to press high and we should have played past the press. We tried to knock it around the back so we considered 2 goals. But I was never worried if we was going to score against you. Early is the best time for you to score. You have a lot of time to come back. We came back very well in the first half to top the score, but then one of our most potent attacker, 6 goal, 10 assists man, doing that thing. It wasn't at his best from about the 35th minute, and that I think is what cost us.
Coach, in terms of when your team rebounded and not panic after you went down 2-0 early, how pleased are you your performance?
Definitely. And on the base side, I also thought we could have gotten the winner. So I'm very pleased. It's a young team. So one of the things that I keep on telling everyone is that this team is going to improve right throughout the season. So I'm not really worried. I mean, it's a young team and we still have a couple months left to go before the playoffs. So this was a good performance from us for us to come back and draw the match because we didn't want to lose this one. It would have been probably like a heartbreaking for us.
What negative would you take away from this that you look to work on from the first half and the entirety of the match? What negative would you take away or you pinpoint to say this is something that we need to work on?
Oh, definitely. I just think, as I said before, that pressing game that I know that they were going to bring, we need to play behind the press, and we have ability to do it. We just made some mistakes because I don't think we were prepared initially, mentally prepared, and that's what cost us. But based on the rest of the game, I am pleased that we can take on this team on equal terms.
All right, coach.